Leopard frogs push their own eyeballs down into their skulls to swallow food. Every single bite, their eyes sink into their head. Here's how it works. When a frog eats, its eyeballs retract downward through openings in the skull, right into the roof of its mouth. That bulge presses down on the prey and shoves it toward the throat. Scientists tested this. They gently held a frog's eyes in place so they couldn't retract, and the frog couldn't swallow at all. It literally cannot eat without blinking its eyes back into its head. It gets weirder. Frogs have no diaphragm, so they can't squeeze food down like we do. Instead, every blink becomes a pump. Watch closely and you'll see a frog's eyes vanish again and again with each gulp until the meal is gone. And here's what makes this even crazier. That's why frogs blink after every meal. It's not an expression, it's a built-in eyeball plunger. Which fact surprised you most? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.